Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Carmen. I'm going to give you a full flip through of this amazing paper, the Americana collection. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a huge fan of these paper books. They're pretty amazing. So this one has 180 pages to create and craft with, includes stationery, bookmarks, stickers, wrapping paper, gift tags, and more. And this retails for $35 US. So I wanted to go ahead and flip through this quickly. And if you, well, it won't be quick, but I'll go as quickly as I can. I'm going to start flipping while I talk. We've got the introduction here. But if you're not aware, this year is America's 250th anniversary as a country. And so I'm guessing that's why they have re-released this now. But it has some beautiful images in here to use for, like I said, this could be used in junk journaling, it could be used in regular journaling, definitely could be used in any kind of paper craft that you can think of, scrapbooking. They've got some postcards in here, that's what these are. So if you like doing the old snail mail, but these images are just gorgeous even for your regular journaling or scrapbooking. So you don't have to use them as postcards, you could use them really for anything. And then these are some tags. Same thing though, you could just use these images. Now the postcards and the tags are like a card stock, but then they have a lot of other paper in here that's more of what I would call scrapbooking paper. They call this wrapping paper. I will give you a heads up. They always put this sticky stuff to hold these little extras down, and it does bleed through this like oily residue, and it usually goes through a couple of pages. But if you're, like it's right there, but if you're journaling or scrapbooking, you can usually cover that with a sticker, washi tape, or something else, a picture. So it's not, to me, it's not that big of a deal. But I even keep these because since I do junk journaling, I keep these little wrappers. So I'm going to put that back down over that spot so that the grease doesn't get on anything else. But they give you these, what they call wrapping paper, but these are perfect for scrapbook or journaling backgrounds. And this is what I ended up loving about this. I expected it to just be kind of like this stuff like the 4th of July, but they've got some really cool, just classic Americana photos, and so I really ended up liking this book more than I expected. I went to look at it at the store and didn't really think I would end up buying it, and then I did because it has so many beautiful and iconic images. So these are like scrapbook papers and or journaling papers, and then they have these envelopes that you can fold up, and so you could use these to send a letter, of course, but you could also use these to add an envelope to your journal. To either write a letter to yourself or just put some pictures in. You know, so it's really your imagination to put some junk in. If you're junk journaling, you could do anything you want with it. But just some great images. You've got pages you can write on, more envelopes. These are stickers right here. So each of these are cut out to peel out separately. And then the next page is labels, and again, they are pre-cut out. They're just the sticker labels. They've got some Western themes. And then these are really cool. All the paper books have these. It's where you can frame your own images or you can use theirs. All of these are cut out at 3 different levels. So like you can punch this out, you can punch this out, and you can punch this out. And so there's so much you can do with this. This is what kills me when they have a great image on one side and a great image on the other side. So then you have to choose, because I really like this Van Gogh style with the Statue of Liberty. And so they've got some really great images on each side of these. So now they include a journal. So this is a tip from me to you. If you order it online, it's not an issue. But if you do not order these paper books online, just be really careful that these have not fallen out in the store, because I have seen where they have fallen out, where they're separate from the book. So just be really careful of that, because there should, in these larger paper books, the ones that are $35, so not the seasonal ones, but the big ones, they should have 4 of these, like the papers, the journal, a notebook, and another set of papers. So I'll flip through the journal really quickly, but what's neat about this is you could either use it as is, or you can just cut the pages out and add these to your own journal. And that's what I love about these, because they have these prompts, like people I wish I could say sorry to, the best decisions in my life. So they've got a lot of writing prompts in here that you could use. And this has iconic cities within the United States. Oh, that's a fun picture right there. And here is the state that I live in right here. I haven't lived here my whole life, but that's where I live now, South Carolina. We're on the beach. Let me know in the comments, are you watching from the United States? And if you are, what state are you in? And if you're not, let me know what country you're watching from and what area of the country that you live in you're watching from. I always love hearing from people both in the United States and also from other parts of the world. It's so fun how small the world has gotten with YouTube. It's definitely a lot of fun. Skipped a couple of pages there. Here we go. Oh, this is neat right here. Brooklyn Bridge. So as you can see, it's just so, it's not exactly what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be just full of 100% red, white, and blue. And there's nothing wrong with that, but you know, how many different spreads are you going to do with just red, white, and blue? But instead there is just so much that you could use for so many different purposes. Got Long Beach. Now this is hard cardstock right here, so that's what I mean. There's different, some have hard cardstock, some of it is scrapbook paper. So this is hard cardstock again right here with this cool subway image. So here's the notebook that I mentioned. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find the video, so I greatly appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more junk journaling and journaling videos, definitely click on the subscribe button because I'll also be doing more of these paper occasionally too. Here's the notes. I'll flip through this quickly. Same idea as the journal, except without the prompts. It's more of just an open thought notebook, but with great images. Again, you could cut these out and put these in your own journal to use. Use the images as background paper. So many options here with this. Skipped a page there. But all kinds of things and so many things you could use this for. And if you're traveling to the United States of America, you could absolutely use a lot of this as your background for your travel journal too. Or traveling within the United States, you could use a lot of this as part of a travel journal as well. So many options for these paper books. That's why I love them. I love that you're sort of open to do whatever you want to do. So it's pretty neat. And then this, if you've never seen this before, this is when they were building the Empire State Building. This is a famous picture where they're just dangling way up in the air eating lunch like it's no big deal. So that's a really cool picture. That one caught my eye when I was looking at this in the store. And then fabulous Las Vegas, we have been there. I actually got my picture in front of the sign. You got to do that when you go there. So these are actually cutouts. So these are not stickers, these are cutouts that you can use in your paper crafting of whatever kind you enjoy. Same with these are cutouts or backgrounds, whatever you want to use them for. These as well. And this is thinner paper, not cardstock. And more cutouts. And then these are bookmarks. So they're already perforated. You can just pop those out. Another great image. These are tags over here. Again, they're already perforated, so you can just punch those out. And this is things you can cut out or use as a background. Same with these. And this is, again, the thinner, like scrapbooking type paper, journaling paper. And then these are invitations. Now, each paper book has these invitations. I don't know how much of this I would use. I do not send paper invitations. If you do, let me know in the comments. Or if you have ideas for this, let me know in the comments. I think I could use some of the images or the back to write on, but I don't send invitations out in person anymore. But if you do, let me know. I'm just curious. And I do love this, though, these sort of 4th of July themed invitations. If I was having a party, that definitely would be something. My husband and I, since we live at the beach, there's so much going on here. You don't need to have a party. There's just so many activities for the 4th of July. And this year, I think it's going to be just crazy. I think there's going to be so much traffic here, we're not going to be able to move. We've got stickers. Where we live is a very popular place to come for the 4th of July for tourists, and so we get a lot of people. You've got adult coloring. I mean, you don't have to color them. You can leave them black and white, but I think that's the intention there. More cutouts. Oh, this is really neat right here. All 50 states. That's really neat. A little picture for each one. Okay, I'm gonna have to find. So there is where we live now, and that's great. They've got the symbol, the palm tree, and what looks like a crescent moon, but actually is not. There's a long story which I won't go into in this video. This is not a history of South Carolina. That is actually our flag for South Carolina, and I'm not seeing my home state. I was actually born in North Carolina. I know it's here, but I'm not gonna take up your time trying to find it. You're probably seeing it right now and I'm not. And then, oh, this is great too. I really like this. And then you've got the, looks like the national parks. So that's a lot of fun, especially again, if you're doing some traveling, if you're doing some road trips in the US. These are fantastic. Route 66, license plates. And this is the next section of what they call wrapping paper again. At least this time they put it on blank paper and not on something cool. That is the only thing I wish they would find a new way to do this. I think it would be better if they put it in a little folder or something. It's so cool, but I wish they didn't do it with the grease spot. And like I said, they fall out so easy and end up on the shelf in the store, but outside of so again, great background papers. I mean, you could use them as wrapping paper, which is what they call it, but I would probably use those as journal backgrounds, background papers. And see, this is what I'm talking about where it bleeds through. But like I said, at least they put it on the plain paper. Not all their books have plain paper, but most of them have a few plain pages, but not much is plain. Just more Americana images, and now we're back to the journaling / scrapbook weight of the paper. I've got some more cutouts, some more bookmarks, and these are perforated, and these actually have a hole to put like a tassel in. The other ones that I showed you did not. Same with these. And then these are perforated between each stripe here. Let me know what you would use these for. This is hard cardstock, so let me know what you would use those for right there. And then these are cutouts right here, and this is the lightweight paper again. Oh, and on the back it's got, I guess they're just little letters because it's like with love, sending you. So almost like a postcard, but these are not postcard weight. You would want to put these inside of an envelope, but that's pretty neat. And then you've got letters. I've got some patriotic cutout letters. These are all cutouts. They always have a section of letters and numbers in these paper books if you're not familiar with them. And there's some more numbers. These are sort of college style, Western style. And then they always include this, they think they call it washi tape. It's not the consistency, like I have some washi tape over here. It's not the consistency, that's actually 2 rolls stuck together, but you get the idea. This has a different feel to it. This is slick like a sticker, but you could still use it, and they are separated like stickers. You could still use that inside of a journal as washi tape. And then you've got stickers here. Got some tags again. I love this image right here. We've got some beach vibes. I'm all about beach vibes, although that looks more California-esque to me. And there's Florida. There's all kinds of things here. Got some more Western. A whole mix here. You've got Western, you've got Miami, Florida. So again, these are the tags. We've got tags here. And then I'm not sure if these are, they have little holes in them. So did these. So I guess they're still tags. I guess they're tags as well. These also have the little hole. Again, all these are perforated. Looks like more postcards. Yep. And these are postcard weight. These are the heavy weight. Love these images. These are great. And these are like little cards you can, that's what it is. Both of these are like little cards you can fold up because they're not perforated in the middle. They're just ready to fold. So those are cards. And then we've got more journal / scrapbooking type paper. That's neat. And then it's one of the national parks here. That's pretty. And then you've got the envelopes again. I just love these for putting in journals, but you could use them to actually mail letters as well. Do some snail mail, which is fun. And more envelopes. I like how they also have the address places on the other side if you want to use them for that. And some more just great images. There's our Capitol. That's our Capitol building, and the Washington Monument. We've been there. Great images here. It looks like some more cards you can send. Then California. If you'd like to learn more about junk journaling and journaling, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.